Nitura! Abdang na si Shaina.
I think everybody is waiting for that point coming from Nitura.
6-5 Adamson. Napadaan sa kamay. Sagaysay. Combination play again. Shaina Nitura down the line this time.
Again and again, Nitura is showing how ready she is. She's always ready and steady.
Ito Petalio. Mordi is still there. Lipat, Nitura, cross court!
And again, if you want to make sure na makakuha ng puntos, you just have...
Welcome back to Adamson University. Shaina Nitura. And saved by Bacangke. Sagaysay, back set, Nitura, tulak. Binuhay pa rin yung Encarnacion, but no second ball for FAU. Sa area ni Bacangke on both occasions. Tama naman yung hulog dito ni Nitura. With a little help from the net, but Faida was so... And this battle of the two undefeated teams, they will go to Nitura once again. Over the defense for Shaina.
What a way to respond dun sa ginawa ni Lopez kanina.
Sabi ni Shaina.
Opportunity for them.
Oo.
Para mapakita yung skills nila.
Nitura with a block point.
Nitura showing that she's also effective.
Combination, Nitura through the defense.
Very pump FEU.
Kung si Big Twin daw, binibigyan niya ng ganyan. Sino ba kayo? Nitura through the defense.
Of course, Nitura is Nitura. She has to make sure.
Gives it up. Sagaysay. Combination, Nitura.
Of course, Nitura is also always finding a way.
Aposaga. Sagaysay, Nitura. Off the hands again for Shaina. It's time to take over. Habang nasa harapan. Tamarihan sa kanya. Tignan natin. Third set if they win. Ha? Nitura off the block. Sabi ni Shaina, "Oy, nandito na ako. Pwede pa lumaban dyan." They send it to Nitura once again. Naabangan na naman ni Bacangke. Shaina will try again. This time through the defense of FEU.
And again, Shaina, if hindi niya ma-work, she will always find a way kung paano
Aldo. They go to Bacangke. Kabila. Nitura!
And again, this is a long rally against FEU. She's really on fire for this match.
Grabe yung power. Mahirap pag-over-receive pag may Shaina Nitura sa harapan.
Regalong-regalo para sa kanya eh.
Kabila, cross court. Petalio picked up by Aposaga. Here's Shaina Nitura. And she gets it off the hands.
Again and again. Nitura is just really unstoppable.
Sagaysay, Nitura. Yan, nakabawi na.
Grabe, yung pag-leap ni Nitura, ang layo ng buwelo niya kanina, even yung pag-set.
Kabila, kay Devosora. Nitura, tinulak na lamang, good read by Shaina.
It's not always again about power. Yan.
Tinaasan ang lundag, hininaan naman ang tira. Over-received again, and Nitura will win.
Nitura won that joust against Obaldo.
Manuel gets to it. Nitura over the defense. Kept alive, habol lahat. And Petalio cannot get it across, so that's another point to Shaina Nitura. And Adamson University is up 3. Mordi. Sagaysay, Nitura. Binalik. Hindi na iwan sa loob. And the power of Shaina Nitura has tied it. Nitura cross court. And Encarnacion could not stop that.
Again, we're already...
Ayan, bagsak na naman yung board.
Ready in the...
Ulog. Kailangan itawid. Yan. I'll go to Nitura. Shaina down the line.
She saw an opening.
Bago magsimula ang fifth set, si JP Ude, hinayaan niya magtalumpati si Shaina Nitura to address her team. And Iniwasan na siya. Goes to Mordi. Back set. Nitura. Hinulog na naman.
Sometimes all it takes.
And Nitura's point is going to send us to the changeover. Nitura is there. Sagaysay. Tudao. Back set ngayon to Shaina. Through the defense.
Nobody was there to save the ball coming from...
Pinangat ni Mordi. Nitura. And it is not chaseable by Eliza De Basora as Shaina Nitura is now taking over.
And again, if you want to gain...
That's an over-receive and dropped in again by guess who? Shaina Nitura, although illegal block ay tatawag. Another good one, targeting Nitura this time. Sagaysay, Shaina, over the defense again! Shaina Nitura!
Yeah, Shaina's just really...
Hindi mo na alam kung anong papatay sa iyong sandata.